Let's make chili oil ramen, and it only takes 10 minutes. If I had to choose just one condiment to eat for the rest of my life, it would totally be chili oil. You can put chili oil on ramen, rice, meat, eggs, basically everything. I know everyone's got their own spin on chili oil recipe. Some likes it extra spicy, some has more crunch or garlic, but no matter how you make it, we can all agree that once you start drizzling chili oil on your food, there is no going back. Let's make Dan Noodles. If you like spicy and savory, then this Dan Noodles is for you. The combination of crispy pork, crushed peanuts, and spicy sesame sauce is super flavorful and addicting. Start by making pork toppings by stir-frying ground pork over medium-high heat for a few minutes. Next, cook your noodles in boiling water. Save a quarter cup of water for the sauce later. Blanch the vegetables before you drain the water. For the sauce, combine sesame paste, soy sauce, citron peppercorn, vinegar, garlic, chili oil, and hot water. Whisk that together and pour it into your noodle bowl. Add the noodles to the sauce, then top with veggies, crispy pork, crushed peanuts, and scallions. And that's it! In honor of Mother's Day, I am making my mom's cold sesame noodles. My mom always eyeballed the ingredients, but don't worry, I've watched her make this dish a gazillion times that I've got all the steps down. According to my mom, the trick to cold bouncy noodles is to spread the noodles out on a tray and drizzle them with sesame oil to keep them from sticking together. To make the sauce, combine sesame paste with hot water, then add soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and garlic. Once that's done, throw in cucumber, carrots, eggs, and shredded chicken. And that's it! One of the things I love about Asia is that there is street food everywhere. I love walking through busy street looking for the cheapest and most authentic food. One of my favorite street food has to be Hong Kong fish balls. These fish balls are simmered in delicious thick curry sauce, which is perfect to enjoy over a bowl of udon. To make it, I first saute minced garlic until fragrant. Then I added Lee Kum Kee's fish ball sauce to the chicken broth. This sauce has all the ingredients I need for Hong Kong street style curry. I also added a tablespoon of soy sauce to the broth. Boil for a few minutes, toss in fish balls, udon, and beef slices, and cook to perfection. This is the best udon stir fry I've ever made. Start by marinating the beef and set it aside, then chop up your vegetables. Onion, carrots,
Oops.
cabbage, green onion, garlic.